on guys, Guitar Basics here. Today I'm going to show you how to play Cigarette Daydream by Cage the Elephant. This is a really easy song. It's very recognizable when you play it, and it's just 5 open chords, and you probably already know them. Alright, let's get right into it. Alright, so first we'll go over the chords that we're going to need for this song. Then we'll learn the strumming pattern, and then we'll put it together. So number 1, we're going to have a D major, which is the bottom string and then 3rd from the bottom on the 2nd fret, and then that string that we skipped, we're going to grab it on the 3rd fret. Next, I don't know exactly what the chord is called, but it's a version of a D chord where we're just going to hold down on the bottom 3 strings on the 2nd fret. So it's kind of as if you're just shifting this ring finger back 1 fret, but it's kind of just easiest to use 1 finger and just hold down on all of them. Next, we're going to move to an E minor. So we just need to hold the 2nd and 3rd string from the top on the 2nd fret. Then we're going to grab a G chord. So we just move that middle finger up to the top string 3rd fret and then drop our pinky or ring finger, whatever's easier, onto the 3rd fret bottom string. And then last, we're going to move to an A major, which is the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string from the bottom. I just use 1 finger and I lay it across all of them, but if you want to use 3 and do it like that or like that, whatever's easiest, you just need to play an A major. Then we just go back into a D chord where we started and the whole song starts over. So we've got a D, a slightly changed D chord, E minor, G, and then an A. Alright, so now we're going to go over the strumming pattern, which is really easy because it's almost all just down strums. So how we're going to start on this D chord is we're going to do 8 down strums kind of quickly, and then after that last down strum, we just do a quick up strum, and then we move to that next chord. So that's going to sound like this. Then we move to that next chord, and here we're going to do the exact same thing. And on these 2 D chords, I would really suggest when you strum, just aim for the bottom half of the strings. But anyways, after the slightly modified D chord, we're going to move to that E minor. And then here we're going to do the exact same strumming pattern, except now I would focus the top half of the strings. Alright, then when we move to the G chord, it's going to change just a little bit, and the only change is we're just going to be doing the strumming pattern for half the time. So all that means is instead of going down 8 times and then going up, we're going to go down 4 times and then strum up. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on that A major, and then it starts over. So all the way through, really slowly, it should look and sound like this. And it's really that easy, guys. Hopefully at this point, you do know how to play the song, but if not, feel free to leave any questions or comments down in the comments, and I will try to answer them as best as I can so that you can play the song. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.